Welcome to another Enjoying Art watercolor landscape painting, and happy holidays. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to paint this village in Christmas. Let's first do a little planning. I'm using this calligraphy brush. How about a little yellow orange colors? Just keep a little lighter and take a look at how I'm going to reserve some of the white space. Would be the bottom. I'm going to start with this 1-inch flat brush, and it's very important to give enough width when you are paint, because some technique we need to in the wet. Start from the top. I'm going to take the Windsor blue red shape and with the red color. Here we go. I'm going to put it right on the top over here. I'm going to start using a lot more blue color to see if this is, well, to put it close. I'm going to come in over here. This is good. I'm going to change the brush with the calligraphy. Now I'm going to just come back here to get a little yellow, a little more red color, and take a look at that, a little bit more red, and take a look at the bottom over here. So this is going to fade in into the color on the top. Put my hand in my water and just give it a quick splash. And I'm going to have a little bit brownish color on the edge over here. Here we go. I'm going to put that color right in here for the tree on the side. Right here. Gonna make it a little bit darker. Looking for light shape, dark shape. Just use the dry brush, lift up a little bit, make a little transition for that color. There's a little red with that. Here you go. There's a little light color. There's a little light color, orange color coming down over there. Now we're gonna work it into the front here, and before we come back over there to clarify some details, take a look at right at the front over here. And I'm going to have this also have a little red into this blue color. Here you go. I'm going to start painting little details of those trees. We need to do it a little bit quicker, and we need to come back to apply the salt into the front. Okay, here we go. That's good. Now I'm going to start using the salt. This is only the regular cooking salt. I just look at from a little bit distance, not putting a whole block together. And we're gonna wait a little bit before it start creating effect. Now I'm gonna come into to add some darker color for the walls. Makes it a little bit consistent, dark brown color. We're gonna get the yellow, and already some red color over here, and have some blue color. So that's the brown color. So make it a little bit more clear. Now I'm gonna start painting a little details at the front here. When I have this, here you go. Look at the inspiration, and then you see how this is going to make it look feeling like the tree. I'm going to add a little bit darker color. Here you go. Now I'm going to take a look at some of the branches. The tree over here, I'm going to have it look again and somehow is break down and continue like this. Set in the darker color shape on top of on the side of this house very close to us. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna coming up from here. Here we go. Like that. Okay, that's good. Coming on this side. Look again. That's an important shape. Okay, a little bit coming over here. Now I'm gonna paint it into the gap over here, like this. Be a little careful. There's a window over here. And here you go. There's a window over there. Okay, there's another window over here. We're gonna lift the light shape. We're just gonna paint to showing the tree actually see through some of the shape here. The shape a little bit different. Not always the same kind of shape. Okay, that's good. There you go, like that. That's good. Now a little bit darker color on the side over here too. Like that. That's good. And take a look at the wood top over here. Have some interesting shadow. Here we go. A little bit shape over here. That's alright. That's good. Like that. You see how easy. And the chimney. Oh, here we can put a little gap back over here. You can see this. Okay, that's the tree. Like that. There you go. Okay. There's a little bit gap over here. That's the chimney. There we go, another chimney over here. Like that. Okay, see a little gap over here. Just look for a shape. Triangle, a vertical shape, horizontal shape. There you go, coming up over here through this. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now we're gonna come into to give some suggestions of the branches. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this flat brush. Okay, let's take a look. And just very simple. Just follow this and give a little enforcement. And see that a little bit over here, like that. That's just good, like this. Okay, a little bit enforcement of like the snow on the top of that. Okay, a little bit suggested. That's good. That's good. It's very simple. Here you go. A little bit suggestions. When you lift it, you create different kind of textures, different from what you have done by just paint it on the paper. Here you go. Some over here also lift a little bit, make it feel like that's the snow on the branch. Okay, like that. Let's get a little bit over here. And the bottom over here. Gonna make it feel a little bit lighter. And throw a little bit red color over there. Okay, like that. You can lift up a little color to make it like the light hitting this area. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna come back here to throw a little bit those purple brown color right over here. There you go. And maybe not so bright. Like that. A little bit blue purplish color. Okay. Soft that. That's good. Right, orange color. Make it a little bit lighter before you can throw the orange color. Yellow, red. Little yellow color here. That's good. And also the same thing over here on the ground. Have a little bit red color like that. So make a little bit growing feeling. Just the red. I don't want that feeling a little bit too much of the green. Here you go. That color coming through over here. That's good. Making sure it's light enough. Okay. And over here, like that, have some color. Okay, that's pretty good. And I'm gonna add a little bit orange color on over here, like a little bit different. Okay, that the purple color. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna have a little bit blue color. The blue color coming back here. And also at the same time, have a little bit darker color around this rooftop. So make it feel like more as the rooftop. I'm gonna have a little bit darker over here on this side. That's the good shape. And coming over here. That's good. Okay, on this side. Like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna come back here too. I think the bottom over here need to be glazed over with some darker blue color. Here you go. I'm gonna have it a little bit separate from the color at the top over there. Here you go. That's good. Okay, like that. Okay, and even a little bit more blue. Okay, like this. And the top over here, have that. Use the same color over here. But also have a little bit red color. Let's see through in the background. There's some other color in the house in the background. I'm gonna have a little bit red color. Here you go. Now put that right here. You can see that coming down over here. Squint your eye. You actually can see the difference But if you get too busy by distracting by the details, it could be blind you from looking at the true color. So use the large brush. Actually, it can make you get away from keep staring at the smaller shape. Okay, I like that little adjustment of colors. Really make it interesting. I'm gonna have a little bit like that. Okay, here you go.